Nice, Sky. Night, love you. Now, if you guys can see over here, that is the harness. What do? You just need to be gentle, don't force it. So, here you see it pops out. Might be a little bit stiff because there's a lot of dust and grime and stuff. So then what you do is you just play with it the whole time and then that's it. As you can see, it's got like a, if I can, let me just take this one side. You guys can see over here, let me zoom in quickly. So, if you guys can see over there, it's got like a little bit of a groove, so it starts out and it slides, you know, like it makes like a 45-degree bend, and that's why there you can actually see, you know, it's not straight, so that's why you can't just want to yank it out. You pry, pull a little bit, because then it's going to start sliding out. You pry and then you pull a little bit. Don't want to pull too hard because this obviously is a wiring harness which is unique to this headlight or to this car, so it's not like you can just go to Vauxhall or to Midas or any other auto store to go buy another one. So you want to be gentle with this. Obviously there's also a lot of heat, so you know, the wiring and the coating becomes a little bit brittle. So again, don't just yank it out, just take your time and you will get it removed.
that's it, guys. Tell me what your thoughts are. I'm sure you can agree with me. It was actually a very straightforward process with regards to replacing the headlight, removing the front bumper, even fitting the lip, fitting the new fog lights, and then just to find out that, you know, the actual glass and not polycarbonate plastic like the that's my dog Geronimo, just he really rules this backyard. But yeah, polycarbonate plastic for the headlights. But yeah, I managed to just buff them and just make them look a little bit more presentable. Well, not them, the one fog light. This section over here, it looks good. However, it does come up a little bit in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see. So what I'm going to do is that middle self-tapping screw, I'm going to remove it and just see how it looks. If it drops down a little bit. My only concern is, you know, because of it being in the middle, it might, you know, vibrate. And
every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bang. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a...
You know, with lots of vibration, you're gonna get, you might have an opportunity where the other self-tapping screws come loose. So it's all up in the air now. I think it looks good. I just want to see if I remove that self-tapping screw in the middle, if this section goes down a little, you know, if it drops a little bit more. If it doesn't, I'll just put it back again. But yeah, very straightforward exercise. So with that said, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't done so, please consider clicking the subscribe button and then hitting the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future uploads. Also, if you enjoyed this type of content and you enjoyed this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And up until the next episode, guys, remember, don't just clean your car, let's make it shine.